Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. We start with football as the top two teams in the RNF Jamaica Premier League suffered short defeats away from home on Sunday, as there were some big results for teams in the bottom half of the table. Mount Pleasant FA's historic run came to a shock end on Sunday as they were beaten 2-1 by the struggling Harbourview FC at the compound in the Jamaica Premier League. Mount Pleasant's 14-game unbeaten run actually started with a 3-1 win at home against the Stars of the East, who won just one of their last 13 games before Sunday. However, Rohan Brown gave the hosts an early lead when he opened the scoring in the 7th minute. Just before halftime, former Mount Pleasant player Okwasa Chong got the second for Harbourview to make it 2-0 in the 43rd. Mount Pleasant ended the game with 10 players as former Harbourview midfielder Jashawn Angling was sent off carelessly. The Travellers did have a moment to celebrate, but it was far too late when Daniel Green got what turned out to be a consolation in the 9th minute of stoppage time. The result also ended Mount Pleasant's record 12-game winning run.
The last game we played like the opposite wingers, like a left foot on the right side. That was out. We weren't getting enough crosses in the box, so we changed around to them, put the left foot on the left wing, the right foot on the right wing, and it played dividends today because we got crosses in the box and we scored from two of them.
You have to give credit to the Harbourview team this afternoon. I didn't think we were complacent. I think the Mount Pleasant team, we did some good stuff. We didn't create a lot of goal scoring opportunity, but I think we get chances, could have, get ourselves back in the game. We happened to score late in the game, but as I said before, you can't knock the Harbourview team. They came out this afternoon. I think they wanted it more than us.
Meanwhile, promoted team Racing United FC moved up to 7th on the table after a 2-1 win over Chapperton Maroons at Stadium East. Rashane Murray gave Racing a 46th-minute lead. However, Chapperton found themselves level 2 minutes later through Daniel Watson. Nikhil Ellis would prove the decider as he got the winner for Racing in the 80th minute.
This is what we spoke about at length every training session. The team from 6th down to the bottom, we have to take care of business there. We show that we can match up with the big boys. We look at the game that we played at Cavaliers and Mount Pleasant, and Arnett Garden, a Waterhouse. That just to show that we can match up with them. So we have to just take care of who behind us.
Football is about scoring goals. And we were not efficient in front of goal today. As a matter of fact, we were poor in the first half especially. We should have been at least 2 goals up. And I'm being conservative when I say that. Going into the halftime break, and then we came out and conceded. Got the equalizer. Got another opportunity and fluffed our lines, and in the end we lost all 3 points.
Elsewhere, Montego Bay United failed to make use of Mount Pleasant's defeat as they went down 2-0 to Dunbeholden FC. Portmore United scored twice in the last 14 minutes to record a come-from-behind 2-1 win over Humberline in the first game of a double-header at the Jerusalem Mini Stadium.